is not stopped. The shock wave travels down and back up the tube, in approximately 0.5 seconds. Pulse jet units are usually operated in a non-dust cake mode. Bags are pulsed frequently to prevent the formation of a thick cake, and to keep the unit from having a high-pressure drop across the dust cake and felted filter. However, sometimes a dust cake is desired in cases where woven bags are used in a pulse jet bag house. Pulse jet filter. The blast of compressed air must be strong, enough for the shock wave to travel the length of the bag, and shatter or crack the dust cake. Pulse jet units use air supplies from a common header, which feeds pulsing air through a separate blowpipe, located above each row of bags in a compartment. Pulsing air is directed into the bags through nozzles, or orifices located on the blowpipe. A diaphragm valve on each blowpipe provides the very brief pulse of compressed air. The opening and closing of the diaphragm is controlled by an electrically operated solenoid valve.